I was just gifted the NearHub Go, and I am so excited to unbox this, set it up, and put it to the test. This is a smart digital photo frame, as in it doesn't only let you share photos through it directly in your home or with a loved one who has one, but this is also a real-time air monitor tracking your CO2, humidity, and temperature. So let's unbox this and really check out what you get here. Now, to start off with, I love that the packaging is actually designed that you can just write on it and give it directly as a gift. And I gotta tell you that the digital photo frames I have in my home are my favorite frames of all time, and that they allow me to keep photos current. And because they're always rotating, it's something that my entire family likes to look to as we walk down our stairs past our digital photo frame. Well, let's open this one up and see what we have here. To start out with, it's beautiful, really nicely packaged. It has a simple quick start guide and user manual here, and then it has the frame itself. Let's pull this out. Now, one thing off the bat is that this is a heavier, larger frame than I've seen in the digital frames I have tested, and that makes sense as it does have an air monitor built into it. So you can see on the sides that it's just much larger, and you can see some different sensors on the sides as well. And then it has these purple sections. We're gonna learn what all of this is. But that's the main piece. And I do love that you can set this up to be landscape or portrait mode. It is adaptive. It also has adaptive lighting, so we'll test that out as well. And what else is in the box is just this simple little piece right here. And all that comes in the box is you do get this little reset paper clip if you need it. And I can see that there is a reset point back here. I'm sure it's this one inside this power outlet. And then it also comes with this plug right here. It's about a 6-foot cord, just a unique but pretty standard adapter on one side, plug on the other. And this definitely looks like you can swap this out for different standards if you need to. I'm sure that so this is a global product. So that's nice. I also can see that it has a USB-C port here. So I'll see if that can be used for charging as well, or if that's only for photo transfer. Let's look to the user guide. Now, looking to the user guide, it doesn't actually say anything about that USB-C port, so we will have to put that to the test. But it does say that this outer little opening is the reset button. And these on the back are speakers, probably vents. And this touch bar is going to switch between having it show you what it's detecting with the air sensors or being in photo mode. And this sensor right here is sensing CO2, and this sensor is sensing the temperature and humidity. And then on the top here, this is your swipe for going through your photos and probably play pausing. We'll check all that out once we plug it in and set it up. But the first thing we need to do is set up the app. Now, I just finished setting it up, really straightforward. All you're going to do is download the NearHub Go app, sign up, and then when you plug this in, it will ask you for a code that matches what's on the screen. Connect with that, add your Wi-Fi password, and you're in. And it comes with 3 dog photos, which you can see here. You can see I'm on the menu right now, so let me close that. But you can swipe through them, or you can control the intervals that they go through, and I'll show you all of that. What I really love off the bat is you can have this in portrait mode, or automatically it will go into landscape mode. And then you have some really great settings here. If you go up to settings, you can actually have a small environmental monitor going along the side at all times, or if you swipe on this side, you can have the entire thing changed to just show you your current air temperature, humidity, and CO2 levels. So it says I'm at 686 part per million CO2, I'm at 23 Celsius and 49%. So it's really nice. I can see that there, or while it's swiping through the photo slideshow, or I can just have that off in the photo slideshow. And then when it comes to a photo slideshow, I can choose my timing on how quickly it goes between the photos. And this is not just for photos, you can also do videos, so you can control if it autoplays them, if it makes noise or not. And you can choose whether the background on vertical photos is just black or blurred. So you have some nice options there. I also really like that it has an actual CO2 level warning. So if there was ever a high CO2 level, it will give me a bird noise, which I guess I'll need to know that that's what it's telling me. Now for first impressions, I am quite impressed. I love the quality of the air sensing, and it's just a really nice, clean style that you don't have to deal with stands. It just holds itself up beautifully. Now, I do want to use this for the next week and follow up with a second video. So I'll let you know when I put that video up exactly what my longer term impression is. But out of the gate, this is a really, really nice and smart digital photo frame that I think you're gonna love, and I think I'm going to as well. The NearHub Go.